Hey, amigo, it's me again, Kenny Ken, and the place to be. Staten Island, New York. Here we go. I'm flying high again. Now, I got to say a big shout out to Space Jam Gardens. I don't know, what do? You make a little garden and you do skonka? I don't know what Space Jam Gardens is. What do you jam and then you do space and then you go into a garden and you do tomatoes and you do, all sorts of other things and then you get jammy jam. Oh, yeah. Now, big shout out to you, I love you, man. You come to me, you hang out with me, we do some huesos, we get pincos, and then we take off the slippers. There we go. Snoopy Snoop in the house. That's how poor I am, amigo. See?